Welcome to Wellerz. In this video we will demonstrate how to list your wellness space for bookings. First, register for a Wellerz account and then sign in. To add your listing, click on the Add Listing button on the top left. Enter your listing address. Note that you must enter the full address in order for the system to recognize it and map it. Press Continue. In the title box, write your listing title. Choose your room type from the drop-down list. In the About Your Space text box, describe your space. The box contains up to 1500 characters. Include details like type of building, window views, and why people enjoy the space. In the Qualifications text box, describe your qualifications for practitioners to be accepted to book your space. This is your chance to choose the types of practitioners you want in your Wellerz community. For example, type of practice, liability insurance, number of years of experience, or any other requirements. In the Amenities section, select the amenities in your space. Be sure to select all of them because searchers will filter for specific amenities. In the Operation Times section, select your open days and hours. Be sure to choose the right days and hours so that people will know when your space is available for bookings. Note that you will also be able to block hours. Wait a few more steps, and we'll show you how. Upload photos of your space. The first image that you upload will be the main image presented on your listing. Press Continue. In the Price section, choose your hourly rate. For your cancellation policy, choose one of the two options. Now you are at the last stage. Availability. This is where you block specific hours you do not want booked by others. This is because the space is already being used, or you prefer to keep it closed at that time. You can block specific hours on any one day, or block recurring hours. For recurring hours, choose days and hours you want to block routinely. These hours will be blocked on a recurring basis. For example, if you choose Wednesdays between 7 a.m. to 11 a.m., no one can book on Wednesdays between those hours. In the Block Hours section, you can block specific hours for a specific day. For example, December 18th, 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. You are now ready to publish your listing. Make sure you entered your bank account information in the Payout section. Your listing will be pending until this information is entered. You can now view your listing. Keep in mind, you are viewing your space as a space owner. Since it is your listing, your price is set to $0 because you do not pay for it. When wellness practitioners view your space, they will see your hourly rate. To view your new listing in an owner's mode, go to Home page. I own a clinic. My Listing tab. You can view and edit your listing. Congratulations! You are a Wellerz community member now.